find special about Indian Bike Week is you can take a day, do something yourself, arrange something with friends. So this day we decided to go for a ride with friends to meet someone over at Rogers Indian dealer, Twin Cities. Yeah, I think it was about an hour and a half ride. Need to sort my hood ties out. It's annoying. Never use them, might as well pull them off. Good teamwork though. Seeing I'm the guy from the UK, I thought I'd ask someone if he knew the way to the Indian dealers. As usual, John said, check your sat nav. Yeah, the weather was a bit overcast. Wasn't cold, wasn't too cold anyway. Certainly a lot warmer than it is here in the UK. Some of you that follow me might know the issues and the struggles I've had with my own Indian motorcycles through Polaris, Britain, in this country. I managed to meet a fantastic guy at the Indian dealership in Rogers. He helped me a hell of a lot. Gave us a lovely tour of the place. Unfortunately, I got too involved in chatting to him that I didn't do much videoing inside. So when I came out after talking with him and one of the mechanics, I was quite elated. I thought I'd had some help, first time in 2 years that somebody from Polaris had actually shown an interest in the issues I've got. But yeah, if you follow my other videos, you know that didn't really get me anywhere. But yeah, Dan, fantastic guy, really looked after us. And there's the groom in waiting. You might have seen the other video of the wedding, which I've already put up. But yeah, we planned to pop to go to look at RVs after we left the Rogers dealer. And Chris, who's local, he decided to guide us. Yeah, we had planned to go to 2 RV places to have a look to see what was sort of the cost and the general outlay, because we would love to have been able to buy one together, but unfortunately the road was closed to one access. So we rode round to see if we can get to the RV showroom from another route. Yeah, unfortunately that didn't work either, so we had to come up with an alternative plan. So this year we had a friend from UK come over with us, and we're both avid collectors of poker chips from dealerships. So we decided to try get one from the local Harley Davidson dealership. So we had a short ride over there. Yeah, I was quite lucky when we arrived. We managed to park right outside the front entrance, and while we were parking the bikes, one of the salesmen came out and asked him if we were invading. The salesman who popped his head out even offered to take a photo of us standing outside under their sign. But yeah, very nice people. Yeah, you're straight in, country music, you've been told there's chips, you're smiling on your face. Yeah, the dealership was called Elk River, if my memory serves me right, which obviously these days is not as good as it was. Yeah, after we left the Harley Davidson dealership, Chris took us over to Buffalo Wings. Yeah, very good food. It was very nice in there. Again, didn't take any video of the inside, but managed to get a picture of Bradley enjoying his wings.